everybody. This video is going to be on base multiplication, and our working base is going to be 1,000. So let's get started on the examples. Let me get a different color so it's more visible, my work. So our working base is 1,000. It's a good idea to get in the habit of writing it. Okay, and this is 2 more than 1,000. So we're writing, this is 2 less than 1,000. We're writing the deficiency or a surplus. So this is 2 less than 1,000, and this is 1 less than 1,000. So our first step is we're going to cross subtract. So 998 minus 1 is 997. Okay, and because our base is 1,000, which is 3 zeros, we expect 3 spaces in the right part of our answer. So when I multiply 2 times 1, it goes in the unit space, which is right here. So the question is, what happens to these two? We fill them in with zeros. So final answer, 9, 9, 7, 0, 0, 2. 997,002. Okay, great. All right, next one, as we can see, our working base is again 1,000. I mean, it's 1,000 for all of these, but it's a good idea to get in the habit of writing it. So this has a deficiency of 3 from the working base. This is a deficiency of 2 from the working base. So first thing we're going to do is cross subtract. So I get 995. Either way you do it. And I put a slash, and I expect 3 spaces here. What's 3 times 2? Negative 3 times negative 2 is positive 6. Fill these in with a 0. So final answer, 995,006. Great. Let's go down. So working base is again 1,000. This has a surplus of 2. A surplus of 2. This is a surplus of 3 from the working base. We're going to cross add. So I get 1,005. I'm going to put a slash, and I'm going to expect 3 spaces. So 2 times 3 is 6. Goes right here. Fill in the remainders with zeros. So final answer, 1,005,006. Great. So working base is again 1,000. Surplus of 100 from the working base. Surplus of 2 from the working base. So let's cross add. You know what? In my opinion, it's easier to do it this way, which is also one of the viable options. Add the surpluses, so you get 102, and then add that to the base. So 1,102. 1102 is 3 spaces. 100 times 2 is, what's 100 times 2? 200. So it works out perfectly. Final answer, 1,102,200. So pretty amazing, right? Again, this one, our working base is 1,000. So this has a deficiency of 13 from 1,000, and this has a surplus of 2 from 1,000. So I would cross add this way and get 989, first part of my answer. Okay, let's put a slash. Now, negative 13 times 2 is negative 26. So let's put a bar, and we're going to fill this in with 0. Okay. So this is a case where you really want to use all from 9, last from 10. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to go down 1,000 and up 1,000. So this represents thousands. I'm going to go down 1,000. And now I need to go up 1,000. How do I go up 1,000? All from 9, last from 10. So 9 minus 0 is 9. 9 minus 2 is 7. 10 minus 6 is 4. So nothing to carry. Final answer, 988,974. All right, working base, 1,000. Deficiency of 1 from the working base, surplus of 1 from the working base. So either way, we get 1,000 as the first part of our answer. Let's put 3 spaces now. 1, 2, 3. I get -1 here. So again, I'm going to think of it as going down 1,000, up 1,000. So I need to take away 1 from here, so this whole thing becomes 999. And all from, we don't really have to write the slash here, but I am 9 minus 0 is 9, 9 minus 0 is 9, 10 minus 1 is 9. And it's pretty obvious that 1,000 minus 1 is 999. So our final answer, 999,999. Great. Let's go down now. Great. So our working base is 1,000. And this has a deficiency of 8 from the working base, 1,000, and this has a surplus of 12. So I would cross subtract. Actually what I would do is 12 minus 8 is 4. 1,000 plus 4 is 1,004. So it's really important to take note of that method. They don't always have to cross subtract or cross add. You can just add or subtract these two and then add or subtract it to the base. So -8 times 12 is 96, but it's negative, so I put a bar here, 0. So I'm going to subtract 1,000, 1, 0, 0, 3. All from 9, last from 10. 9 minus 0 is 9. 9 minus 9 is 0. 10 minus 6 is 4. So final answer, 1,003,904. Okay, here working base is 1,000. So what's the deficiency from 1,000? All from 9, last from 10. 9 minus 8 is 1. 9 minus 8 is 1. 10 minus 8 is 2. And then this has a deficiency of 2. It's much easier to cross subtract this way, so we get 886 / 3 spaces. So 112 times 2 is 224. All of these are negative though. So let's go down 1,000 and then up 1,000. So 885. And then all from 9, last from 10. So 9 minus 2 is 7. 9 minus 2 is 7. 10 minus 4 is 6. So nothing to carry. Final answer, 885,776. Great. Let's go down now. So again, my working base is 1,000. So this was easy, surplus of 2. Let's do all from 9, last from 10 to get the deficiency. 9 minus 7 is 2. 9 minus 8 is 1. 10 minus 9 is 1. So very simple. Now let's cross add this way. 89 plus 1 is 91, so I'm going to put a 91 and then put the 7 here and slash 3 spaces. -211 times 2. So it's going to be negative, but let's just worry about the value first. So I get 4. 200 times 200 is 4, and then I get 22. Now let me put a bar over each one. It's negative. So down 1,000, up 1,000. 790,000. And then 9, all from 9, last from 10. I'm subtracting, what's it? This minus 1,000. 1,000 minus 422. So 9 minus 4 is 5. 9 minus 2 is 7. 10 minus 2 is 8. Last example, working base is 1,000. Deficiency of 2 from 1,000. surplus of 5 from 1,000. Let's cross subtract this way to get 1,003, 1003, 3 spaces, negative 10. You don't need the bar over the 0, but you can put it there. Fill this in with a 0, down 1,000, up 1,000. So, and then 9 minus 0 is 9. 9 minus 1 is 8. 10 minus 0 is just 10. So, in this case, actually, I should have brought down the 0 here. And this represents our last. And it's pretty obvious that 1,000 minus 10 is 990 anyway. So it's probably easier to just use logic than all from 9 and last from 10 for that case. So nothing to carry. Final answer, 1,002,990. Okay, good job. Keep practicing. Make sure you're very clear on how many spaces go in the right part of the answer and how to make adjustments if you have a negative, if you have bar numbers. Okay, good job.